Welcome to Vitality Vision. Today we're tackling a topic that's not often discussed but is quite common: anal itching. Whether it's occasional or persistent, this uncomfortable issue can have several causes. Let's explore the common reasons behind anal itching and, more importantly, how you can find relief. Anal itching is a topic that many people find embarrassing to talk about, but it's actually quite relevant to overall health. In this video, we'll cover both the causes and the solutions so you can understand what might be triggering the itch and how to address it effectively. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Vitality Vision for more tips on managing your health. Before we continue, if you're looking for beauty products that align with ethical and environmental values, Safe Chic is a beauty and personal care company founded in 2015. It offers a curated range of safe, cruelty-free, vegan, and eco-friendly products. The company emphasizes non-toxic ingredients, ethical practices, and sustainability. They operate an online store and prioritize exceptional customer service while partnering with reputable brands to ensure product quality. Safe Chic is worth checking out. I have linked Safe Chic below, or scan the QR code you see on the screen. Just to clarify, this recommendation is not sponsored or paid for by Safe Chic. We're sharing it because we genuinely believe in their products and think you might find them valuable too. Now let's get back to the video. There are several common causes of anal itching. Hygiene issues, for example, can play a big role, whether it's inadequate cleaning or the excessive use of irritating soaps. Then there are skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis that can lead to itching. Hemorrhoids are another common culprit, as they can cause significant discomfort. Infections such as fungal infections or pinworms can also be to blame. Your diet might be a factor too. Spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol can all contribute to the problem. Lastly, allergies to personal care products or laundry detergents can trigger itching as well. How can you stop anal itching? Poor hygiene, such as infrequent washing or using irritating soaps, can lead to skin irritation around the anus, causing itching. Keep the area clean and dry, use gentle, fragrance-free soaps, and avoid excessive wiping. Skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. These chronic skin conditions can affect the sensitive skin around the anus, leading to persistent itching and discomfort. Manage underlying skin conditions with appropriate treatments, moisturize regularly, and avoid triggers that worsen the condition. Hemorrhoids are swollen veins in the rectal area, often caused by straining during bowel movements, pregnancy, or prolonged sitting. Prevent hemorrhoids by maintaining a healthy diet high in fiber, staying hydrated, and avoiding prolonged sitting. Fungal infections thrive in warm, moist environments, while pinworms are usually spread through ingestion of eggs from contaminated surfaces. For fungal infections, keep the area dry and use antifungal treatments as needed. To prevent pinworms, practice good hygiene, such as washing hands regularly, keeping nails short, and avoiding scratching. An unhealthy diet can lead to digestive issues that contribute to conditions like hemorrhoids. Additionally, using harsh or scented skin products can irritate the sensitive skin around the anus. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fiber, drink plenty of water, and choose skin products that are gentle, hypoallergenic, and fragrance-free. Let's recap the key points. Maintain good hygiene, avoid irritants, use medications when necessary, adjust your diet, and seek professional help if needed. We encourage you to comment with your experiences or questions. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you have any persistent symptoms or concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website for more information.